My name is Christina Simpson, and I am a 68-year-old Canadian living here in Bangkok. This time, I will be here 2 years in January, but in the past I have lived here for 8 years while I was teaching, and then I also lived here in the 90s. But in the 90s, I did not live in Bangkok. I have been coming to the doctor here because I'm 68. And actually, I should say that when I was here the last time, I was coming to the end of my 50s, and I remember now I came to see a gynecologist because I was having some menopausal issues, as will happen to women of my age. And I do remember the doctor was fantastic, and she gave me some medicine that helped with the problem. I'm not going to go into big details about the problem because if you're a woman of my age, you'll probably understand. But at the moment, I'm now 68, as I said, and I came in for a regular gynecological checkup, and I was having some issues, and I thought maybe I had a UTI, and the doctor took the urine test, and it turned out I didn't. She immediately said to me, "Would you like to see another specialist, my colleague?" And I said, okay, because I wanted to know what the problem was. And for me, it was quite a surprise to be able to do that, because if you know anything about Canadian medical, you need to go see the family doctor first. Then you have to wait to see the gynecologist, and then you'd have to wait a long time to see another specialist. And that doctor immediately knew what the problem was after I gave him my symptoms, and he prescribed the medicine, and I've been on the medicine for 3 months now, and I haven't had a problem. So I cannot say enough about the Vibhavadi Hospital. So when I come into the Vibhavadi Hospital, I go right to the reception desk, and I hate to say this, but I guess I've been here enough times now that they know which one I'm supposed to sit in front, because there is someone who speaks English there. And I tell them what the problem is, and they immediately decide which doctor I should see, and I'm given a piece of paper with the appointment and a barcode, and I go up to that area of the hospital. And I would say within 15-20 minutes, I am seeing the doctor. I think when you come to the hospital, you're always nervous because there's something wrong and you're not an expert and you really don't know what to do. So when you come to this hospital, you immediately feel, at least I do, confident that someone is going to be able to take care of you. Someone is going to be able to solve your problem, and there's not going to be that stress that you feel because the people here care. For example, I suffer from white coat high blood pressure. And one time I came for a gynecological checkup and I was very nervous. And the nurse waited with me for 15 minutes to take my blood pressure 3 times because she knew I was stressed and my blood pressure would, in likelihood, go down, which it did exactly. So those are things that you feel very positive about because obviously they care. They care about you.